Hi everyone, today we're showing you VEVOR's manifold gauge set. This is a 2-gauge kit. So this is what it looks like. Looks like to be made of high quality line. Everything is nicely referenced. So we are just showing you guys everything you get in the kit. Now there should be for a... Okay. I gotcha. So different nozzles, ends. A manual, of course, and then they also provide you with the hose lines. A lot of companies don't provide you with the lines. Charging hose, 4,000 psi burst, 800 psi max, so it can handle a maximum of 800 sustainable psi and a burst of 4,000 psi per line. Overall, very nice kit.